Welcome to the next video tutorial of HTML part 2. Now in this video tutorial we will be developing a simple HTML document. What is the first step? That is open the notepad or text editor that is inbuilt in your system. In my case that is notepad that is available in the Windows 10. So don't create the text document in the folder, like right click new and selecting a text document. So don't do it because whenever you are saving that file or whenever you are giving that file name with the extension while you are creating this file like web.html, it is not reading it as a HTML document, rather it is still remains as text document. So don't do it. You can just open the text editor. In my case that is notepad. Okay, so here go to file, save as, then here you can give the file name. In my case I'll say hello with the extension .html or .html. Is fine, both it works. So I'll say HTML. As you can see in the folder, hello.html file has been successfully created and it has been associated with the Chrome browser. In my case, in my system, the default browser is Chrome browser, Google Chrome browser. But in your case, it might be the Firefox, or it might be Edge or Safari, any of the browser that is available in the market. That whatever we have created this file with the .html file, that will be associated with the default browser in your system. In my case that is Google Chrome. So the one more thing that we need to observe here, I have created this file with the .html extension. Let me try with the saving it as .htm. That is also works fine for HTML document. Deleting this document and closing this notepad application. Once again I'm opening this notepad application. Here file, save as, let's say hello dot htm, save. You can observe that I have given only the extension as htm. That also works fine. html or htm, .html or .htm, both are the same for HTML document. So now I'm creating a basic HTML document. Let's say here the first tag we have HTML. Okay. So I need to identify this document. Rather, the browser need to identify this document as HTML5. So that is why I'm giving like this doc type HTML exclamatory doc type HTML. We will learn more about this tag. So I'm just creating a simple web page by using HTML. Then we have head tag within opening and closing angle brackets, and I have a title. In this title I'm providing the content as title for the document, closing that title tag with the forward slash title in between angle brackets. Now I'm closing the header tag. Now we have the body tag. In this body tag we have other two tags. That is, the first one, it is header. This is a header or heading. This is the heading, closing with a forward slash with the tag name. One more tag we do have, that is paragraph tag, and I'm keeping the content as this is the paragraph, closing that tag with the forward slash, and then I'm closing the body, and then at last I'm closing the HTML tag with the forward slash HTML in between angle bracket. Save this. So this is the simple HTML document we can create. Go to the folder where you have saved this file. What you can do to run this in the browser, you can just simply double click on this file. It will be opening in a web browser, that is the default browser that you have specified it in your system. Otherwise you can right click on this and select open with, and choose the Google Chrome or whatever the browser you wish to render it in that browser. Other way, that is, you can just click on the address bar, go to the folder where you have saved this file, and click on the address bar, go to the end of the content, and you can just say it is a backslash. It is a backslash, and now you can select the file, copy the content, enter content, copy this, go to the browser, go to the browser. I'm just closing the browser and I'm opening a new browser. So here we have the Google Chrome browser, that is my default browser. Go to the address bar, paste the path, and you can just hit the enter. So it will be rendering the file from the location what we have specified in the address bar. So what is the content, what is the things we are getting here? Go to the file. Here observe title for the document. Okay, this is the title tag. In between title tag we have provided the content, that is title for the document. What it does, it is on the tab. Okay, on top of the tab it will be displaying the name, or we can call it as a title for this web page, for this particular web page. So then we have in the body tag, inside the body tag we have two tags. First one is heading tag h1. This is the heading, that is what it is displaying. And we have the paragraph tag, and this is the paragraph. So instead of hard coding, like we can say that in a text a document, uh, we will write content, but we cannot modify by simply like to modify that we need to format it in the the option, by using the options of the text, simple text editor that is available in the options that is available in the simple text editor. We should modify the content to bold, or the font style, or font family, those things. But in this case we can make use of the tags. Okay, that will take care of formatting these things internally. So anyway, it is just a simple web page, okay, that we can create. And this web page we can execute, or we can render it, or we can open it in any of the browser. So let us say in Windows 10 we have the Edge. Let me open that Microsoft Edge browser. So in the address bar you can keep whatever the content, or whatever the URL that we have copied from the folder. So paste it in here, press enter. The same thing we are getting in whatever the browser you can run this file. Okay, the same result we will be getting. So basically what it does, the browser, it will read this file content through the HTML. So this is how we can create a simple HTML document. In the next video we will be seeing what are these simple tags, what we have what do we have in the file, in this hello.htm or hello.html file. So what are these tags, that we will see in the next video. Thank you.